fresh out the box. Stop, look, and watch. Ready, yet, get set. It's all that. Oh, okay. Okay, so boom, it's me, Dominique, Imani, and if you're new here, welcome to the little channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're not new, welcome back. Okay, period. So I know I've been gone for like a week, but that's because I haven't been feeling well. I've been having a headache for like a week straight, and my ear is doing this little weird thing. It's doing it right now, and I think I have an ear infection, but I don't know because I've never had one in my life. But yeah, that's not what this video is about. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Firmoo glasses. Can y'all see that? Firmoo glasses. They're like a cheap, not cheap, but an inexpensive glasses company. And I just ordered me some blue light glasses because I think that's why I've been having headaches, because I've been on my phone and on my computer for an extended amount of time. So yeah, I'm about to try these glasses on for y'all and give y'all an initial review. So period, here we go. Okay, so boom. Fresh out the box. Stop, look, and watch. Ready, yet, get set. It's all that. Oh, okay. So here we go. Fresh out the box. Firmoo, period. It says global online optical store. So pull this thing out, and it comes with a little cloth. Y'all, I ain't never had glasses before, so I'm excited. Cleaning cloth and pouch, period. And in the box, it has a 50% off frame, so period. This is the code 50 next. I think that's what it say. Period. Boom. And then it comes with a little pamphlet, I guess. Pamphlet. Period. And like I said, I got blue light blocking glasses, so it basically like blocks out all the harmful light from the phone and the computer, so you won't have headaches and stuff. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm scared, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so moment of truth. Here we go. Da 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 da. Oh, stuck. Hold on. Da 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 da. Okay. That's what they look like. I have a knockoff pair somewhere that I got off of Amazon, but if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen those before on my story. But this is what they look like, and you can see it's blue because it's blocking the blue light, period. So you know they work. So let's try them on. Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay. 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 Period. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, they cute. I got a size medium full frame. I forgot the name of the frame. But yeah, period. They're clear. They got a little white on the side. And yeah, so this is the initial review. I like them so far, but I might come back in about a week or so to give y'all a this little thing. This little ring is irritating me, but I'm gonna come back in like a week or so to give it like another review to see if they really work for real, to see if I don't have any more headaches and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and do a little unboxing and review for y'all. So if y'all want to get y'all some little Firmoo glasses for the little cheap, for the little low, period. And again, it's Firmoo, F-I-R-M-O-O, and the little O-O is little glasses, period. But yeah, that's it, okay? I don't know if I said this earlier, but these are no prescription. I don't need prescription. I just use these so I won't get headaches and stuff from being on electronics. But yeah, these are really cheap. I got, the frame was about, since it was my first order, the frames were about like $4. But like once you get the blue light lens and stuff, it costs like $15, I think. And then taxes and stuff, they ended up being $20-something. So altogether, these glasses cost $20-something, and that is cheap, okay? Because glasses are expensive these days, so period. Firmoo, period. So if you enjoyed this video, I know it was short, but if you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified when I post another video. And yeah, until next time, I love y'all.